Here we go. Welcome to the Homer Tunnel. So right now we are 940 metres above sea level. This is the highest point on the journey to Milford Sound, the highest point of our adventure today. So starting our descent from 940 metres above sea level, we're going to drop down 120 metres to the exit of the tunnel. So popping out at 820 metres at the Cleddau Valley. Now the tunnel itself, 1.27 kilometres long. That's about 2/3 of a mile, so it takes about 3 minutes to roll on through here. We're travelling through a saddle of granite rock, which was identified by a man called William Henry Homer back in the 1880s as the narrowest piece of rock needed piercing to give access by road from Tiano to Milford Sound. He drew up the plans, gave them to the government, forgotten about until the 1930s during the Great Depression, the available labour here to make the Milford Highway. Now of course they had to build the road through to the Tiano side first, reaching there in the late 1930s, grabbing pickaxes, shovels, hammers and chisels, chipping away at this rock to put the first dents in the mountainside. Work stopped during World War II. They returned at the end of the 1940s, finally piercing right through here, 1952, reaching daylight in the Cleddau Valley. Took them 2 more years to stabilise loose rock around us here to make it safe for vehicles to travel through. So quite a feat of planning, design and engineering. It was designed before computers and lasers were used in tunneling technology and design, getting the mathematics correct, starting at the top end, digging down, popping out at the correct point in the next valley. Have a look around us here and you'll see where the lights are quite bright. It's not smoothed, shielded or concreted. It's bare rock mostly, the same way as when they chipped it up by hand in the 30s, 40s and 50s. Pickaxes, shovels, hammers and chisels and a certain amount of dynamite was used for some stubborn sections.